Today, just a couple of exercises in all fours. So let's begin by coming onto our hands and our knees. Right. On your hands and your knees, let's find our tabletop position. So to do that, we'll just roll ourselves up into cat, and then scoop your spine into cow. Roll up into cat. Feel that flexion and tallness to the spine. Scoop the spine out into cow. And then finding your mid zone, so our tabletop position where the pelvis would be neutral, the ribs are drawn or not springing, and we have our chin drawn back to mango. So let's pop our hands to this blue rolls. And think about how we're not going to lose our trunk position as we challenge this into a bird dog exercise, it's called. So with one arm, we are going to float the blue roll up without disturbing our backs, our alignment. And then can you extend out through the opposite leg? Right, so try and keep the arch of your spine neutral, your ribs in. Keep drawing back your chin, so you feel the work across the belly. Try and lift your pelvic floor, and let's come in and try this to the other side. So positionally, pelvis, ribs, neck. We extend out through the opposite arm, add the leg, and just keep your balance. Imagine there's a glass of champagne sitting on your back. You're doing your best to try and keep your body like a table without dropping or spilling a drop of those bubbles, and then come back in. Try it again. Take the other arm, keeping the chin drawn back, the ribs controlled, the pelvis in your neutral zone. Try not to allow the arch of your back to deepen. And one last time, keeping that nice controlled position through your spine. Lengthen the arm. Continue with your opposite leg. As that glass of champagne, let's come in and drop into a nice stretch. Reaching out. Let the head feel heavy. Reach out onto your loo rolls. Let your pelvis sink back down towards the heels. And there is a little exercise to challenge your trunk and your shoulder strength, integrating the pelvic floor and the deep belly, and we call that bird dog. So enjoy.